Hey there, welcome back to We Do Wellness. How many times have you woken up feeling groggy, irritable, or just not quite ready to take on the day? If your answer is too often, you're definitely not alone. Today we're diving deep into the power of sleep, why it matters so much for your overall health and well-being, common mistakes people make before bed, and actionable tips to improve your sleep hygiene. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a restful routine that leaves you waking up refreshed and energized every morning. So grab your favorite blanket, get comfortable, and let's talk about sleep. Before we dive into the tips, let's quickly talk about why sleep is so important. It might seem obvious, but understanding the science behind sleep can motivate you to prioritize it more. When you sleep, your body goes through several stages of rest, each serving a unique purpose. Stage 1 and 2, light sleep. This is where your body transitions from wakefulness to deeper sleep. Muscle activity slows down and your heart rate decreases. Stage 3, deep sleep, also known as slow wave sleep. This stage is crucial for physical recovery. Your body repairs tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens the immune system. REM sleep, or rapid eye movement. This is when most dreaming occurs. REM sleep is vital for cognitive functions like memory consolidation, problem solving, and emotional regulation. Now, here's the kicker. Chronic poor sleep has been linked to an increased risk of serious health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, obesity, depression, and even Alzheimer's. On the flip side, good quality sleep improves concentration, boosts mood, enhances creativity, and helps maintain a healthy weight. So, if you've ever thought, I'll sleep when I'm dead, think again. Prioritizing sleep isn't just about feeling better tomorrow. It's about living longer, healthier, and happier. Alright, now that we understand why sleep is essential, let's address some common mistakes people make before bed that sabotage their rest. Are you guilty of any of these? Screen time before bed. Staring at phones, tablets, or TVs before sleeping exposes your eyes to blue light, which tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. This suppresses melatonin production, the hormone that regulates sleep, and makes it harder to fall asleep. Heavy meals late at night. Eating large meals close to bedtime can cause indigestion, acid reflux, or discomfort, making it difficult to relax. While a small snack is fine, heavy foods should be avoided within 2 hours of sleep. Drinking caffeine too late. Coffee, energy drinks, and even certain teas contain caffeine, which stays in your system for up to 6 hours. Consuming them late in the afternoon or evening can disrupt your ability to fall asleep. Irregular sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at different times every day throws off your circadian rhythm, the internal clock that controls when you feel awake or sleepy. Consistency is key for quality rest. These habits might seem harmless, but over time, they can lead to chronic sleep deprivation. The good news is, with a few adjustments, you can turn things around. Now, let's get practical. Here are 5 actionable tips to improve your sleep hygiene and ensure you're getting the rest you deserve. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Just like kids benefit from a consistent bedtime ritual, adults do too. Try winding down with activities like reading a book, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle yoga. Avoid screens at least 1 hour before bed to allow your mind to unwind. Optimize your sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest. Keep it cool, around 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 to 19 degrees Celsius. Dark and quiet. Invest in blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine if needed. A comfortable mattress and pillows also make a huge difference. Stick to a consistent schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This trains your body's internal clock and improves the quality of your sleep. Over time, you may find yourself naturally feeling sleepy at the right time. Limit stimulants and alcohol. Avoid caffeine after lunch and limit alcohol consumption before bed. While alcohol might make you drowsy initially, it interferes with deep sleep and causes frequent awakenings during the night. Exercise regularly, but not right before bed. Physical activity promotes better sleep, but intense workouts too close to bedtime can leave you wired instead of relaxed. Aim to finish exercising at least 3 hours before turning in. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you'll notice significant improvements in both the quantity and quality of your sleep. Finally, don't underestimate the power of mindfulness and stress management. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, or progressive muscle relaxation can calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Even spending a few minutes reflecting on what went well during the day can shift your mindset toward positivity. If you've tried everything and still struggle with sleep, consider consulting a healthcare professional. Conditions like insomnia, sleep apnea, or restless leg syndrome require specialized attention. Remember, sleep isn't just downtime. It's an investment in your overall health and happiness. By prioritizing restful nights, you're giving yourself the best chance to thrive during the day. And that's it for today's video. By creating a relaxing bedtime routine, optimizing your sleep environment, sticking to a consistent schedule, limiting stimulants, and managing stress, you'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more wellness content. Leave a comment below sharing your biggest takeaway, or tell us your favorite way to unwind before bed. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, sweet dreams and take care of yourself. See you soon.